I'm having a little bit of trouble readjusting to the culture shock upon re-entry. Still, I'm so happy to have running water again, and to cuddle my chinchilla, and to eat cheese. At the same time, I still really miss all of my Kiddo Bus family, and the sort of amazing culture of human love that I found there. It's amazing to see a place that has no such thing as an orphan and no such thing as a homeless person, because everyone has a place in the community, everyone has food to eat, and everyone has a roof over their head, however small it may be. It just saddens me to know how much danger this country and this culture is in. But I guess that's why I'm making my movie. That's why I'm gonna have to leave my chinchilla again and go to Texas to continue filming there.